Jerry Service Center, specialist in pickups and SUVs. Here again this morning. This is where you want your pickup to come at Jerry Service Center if you want to get professional service. Right? Take a look at our shop. Right? And if you look, you will see how many pickups we do per day, the types of job that we do today on Rangers, BT50, Sportero, Mazda, Ranger. Right? So if you look here, you will see a pickup service going on. You will see a SUV here, RAV4 service going on. Now when I say service, I'm talking about service and repairs. This is cradle bushing, knocking noise. That one is oil filter, replacing a new housing. Right, and next BT50 here again. So it's only pickups after pickups and SUVs, and next BT50 here again. Right, and next SUV on the side here, X-Trail, and next one in the back. If you look, I mean, we do work on cars. So we have a Civic, we have a next Mitsubishi here again. So we do a lot of pickups, specialists in pickups, vans, SUVs. Jerry Service Center, Hilux, Ranger, Cerato, Sportage, Triton, Navaras. Give us a call. Jerry Service Center, professional service. If you look at the vehicles and they come in, every single vehicle outfitted with plastics on the seat, on the steering, right? You will take a look at them. So we don't get no grease on customers' vehicle. Every single one, all on the floor. Parts are placed on the floor and plastic, seat covers, right? Every single one. And we try to use as genuine parts as we could. See? Every single one. Plastic. So no customer, you're getting no grease on your steering, no grease on your gear lever, and your car nasty. This is the kind of service we do. Right? Professional service. At least we're not perfect, but we try to do our best and treat your car just like you would like to treat it. So every vehicle is outfitted with plastics, and this is not something that I'm doing on a video on. This is we try to do on every single vehicle. Right? So give us a call at Jerry Service Center. Transmission flush, fuel injection service, diesel service, injector service, engine mounts, oil leaks, vibrations, alignment. Give us a call. This is our workshop. This is the cleanliness of our workshop, professionalism for our workshop. Right? So we do pick up and delivery service. If you have, we have a rental vehicle, right? Alignment going on here. So tires, new tires, complete one-stop shop. Jerry Service Center, Main Road in Chase Village, 6710713. If you message us on Facebook, you'll get a faster reply if you call us, because there are too much messages to answer. So we appreciate if you can call us direct at 6710713. Jerry Service Center Limited, Chase Village, on the main road.